Register to vote. Don't say it doesn't count. It counts. That's why they are asking you. That's why they would want to beat you. Because they know that the vote counts. They know that the vote is so powerful. The new bullet is the ballot. The new gun is yourself. A citizen who is registered to vote. An unregistered citizen is a useless weapon. A registered citizen is an effective tool for nation building. Register as a citizen. Register to vote. Make a difference. Be counted. Don't say, oh no, this one we are just wasting time. If you are able to waste time by spending 5 hours in a queue for a Zupco bus, please spare us. Just spend a day. Don't tell us that you don't have time because you have time. You are waiting for a job and the jobs are not there. Please fix the problem and secure your job in one day. Secure your job in one day. Secure your health in one day. Secure your happiness in one day. Secure your freedom in one day. I urge you, make this security of your happiness and your difference in one day. Register as a voter. You have to be in a queue to end all other queues. You have to be in this line so that we end all other lines. If we are not going to join this line, lines are going to continue. The problems of 43 years cannot be resolved by a party that has caused the problems in 43 years. You need a new leader, a young leader, and I'm ready.